Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best affordable pellet grills in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cuisinart CPG 4000 Wood Barbecue Grill and Smoker Pellet Grill and Smoker. It is a style that looks like grilled pellets have come to expect from Cuisinart and is extremely versatile in several cooking functions including grilling, smoking, roasting, braising, baking and grilling. There but cannot be done in this cooking surface 450 square inches. With a generously sized hopper and automatic control of temperature, you can enjoy delicious results when you cook at home or on the road. The smoking is carefully designed with a unique design that provides portable all-terrain wheels and a sturdy handle, so you maneuver position. Other convenient features include a cell holder so that the fat cannot be captured in a dish then on the ground accumulates from the grill. Savings are relatively disordered afterward. Despite its compact size, it has 2 levels, a large kitchen, which makes room for more food, and a convenient folding shelf that serves as additional storage for spices and other essentials grills. Also must appreciate how easy it is with pellet stove grill to use. It is thermostatically controlled to the same as your regular kitchen oven. This ensures that food is cooked thoroughly and evenly, eliminating the to keep speculation processing temperature and the right time to put your meat on the grill. It really is very good when it comes to slow succulent roasts. Pieces of meat and a wide range of wood pellets can create a wonderful flavor smoked mix of granules favorites. With delicious food smoked by all the family, this is an excellent choice. Number 2. Our second best pick is Z-Grill ZPG 450A Wood Smoker Pellet Grill. The ZPG Z450A has a large beautiful grill's pellet tank, automatic temperature control and distribute an incredible 25,000 able BTU. Broil, braise, roast, bake, smoke or sear your steaks with the best of them and choose one that does not need to spend college fund children or a willing heating the grill for house. There, you can keep your precious hot food until the masses are ready to consume. An internal fan, the hot combustion air forces grilled chamber where circulation convection created style. A practical drawer front, we want to see, regardless of the price in each grid or fuel. And set the ability to any temperature between 180 and 475 Fahrenheit. The 450A is easier than some other comparable grills with large pellets. That, in combination with high-quality wheels and mass balance, virtually every adult can move with little effort. 450A. All devices are made of steel and aluminum is formed, treated with a stainless coating. Grill and Z to throw a habit of courtesy that is both attractive and effective designed cover. For all that and more, it is our best offer. Number 3. Our third best pick is Green Mountain Grill's Davy Crockett Pellet Grill. This combo Davy Crockett smoker grill cooking outdoors in its hybrid better. It's easy enough to set up for anyone, light enough and a compact tailgate. Your kitchen has a lot of inner ability to hold large happy crowds of control and offers Wi-Fi allowing the cooking for busy several tasks. The thermal detection properties DCPG sense mate with real-time monitoring of internal temperature, so you can could produce precise control and the type of food that were previously only indoors. DCPG lead each current 120 AC 12V or house standard work so you can be as simple as connecting as possible on the deck in the stadium parking lot or the parking lot or a portable generator 12 volts in use. This pellet grill has to fold very easily to make via folding legs, the device down and fits in the trunk of the car from the back of the truck. And the best part is to take over this grill with you on the road so that you do not have to wear a propane tank. Only one bag of wood pellets. On the technological side, this is one of the few barbecue pellets Wi-Fi compatibility offers. And one does from an even smaller number right. You can adjust the temperature and your food will then start to head inside and take care of other things while the grill on your Android or iOS monitoring phone. If necessary, the temperature can adjust a few gestures, fingers ready on the screen of your smartphone and everything. Its versatility, portability, construction quality, interactivity and price make the Green Mountain Davy Crockett Pellet Grill our best option. This can be combined with a meat thermometer from the list so that their flesh is more perfect. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Z-Grill ZPG 7002E 2019 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. If you have the space and you like entertainment, then you need to take a look at the new and improved ZPG 7002E Barbecue Grill Pellets, the maximum delivery 8-in-1 Coke versatility. Not much to do, you cannot make these smokers attractive. Can grill, sear, smoke, braising, baking, frying, grilling and even from the charcoal grill. You are sure to be the envy of the neighborhood with this easy-to-use, auto-start on the grill cover. It is literally with features to make life easier packed including an automatic pellet feeder and a digital control table improved. There is a generous area of the grid and warming rack next to a large 20 pounds capacity hopper pellet. Moving the car to a prime location is also easier, thanks to the addition of roller locks. Made of stainless steel quality, corrosion resistant and a slim, elegant and polished finish, this looks incredible professionally, which is a pellet grill that is proud to operate and maintain. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Z-Grill ZPG 700D Wood Smoker Pellet Grill. We bring this list of the best barbecue pellets to an end with a real high-end grill ZPG unit called Z700D. This is a luxury backyard accessory literally and could easily serve as the main cooking device in a kitchen backyard. With the 700D you get constant up to 25,000 BTU, heat from wood for baking, frying, braising, smoking, grilling, burning and a barbecue with over 500 inches square on the main network and nearly 200 more really in the rack. What warming sets the 700D next to another barbecue, but there is plenty of storage area under the grill. This can make your life easier grilling, so that devices store, need sauces, pellets, pot holders or anything else and have well on hand at all times. You will pay a little more for this device, but the storage is stretched. Beyond makes it worth mentioning that the 700D has auto-ignition temperature reading of the LCD, 20 pounds container volume and it does not require lifting an end move request, what it is we want a function other than a heavy grid it would fit. Moreover, it is certainly one of the handsomest pneumatic out there and free cover, custom tailored just icing cake. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.